It was the best of times, it was the worst of times. Welcome back to Twinration X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And this is the Dickens Fest edition
Today.
Sorry. We didn't want to take too many tries to do that. But we are doing, did I say it right? Am I missing?
No, you said it right.
We are doing Lootcrate. Yay! New subscription box. Sorry.
And if you're wondering why we're in these outfits, there's a Dickens festival in our town where we live, and we attend that. Today's a fundraiser, and it starts off the weekend. And we're going to everything we can go to. There's going to be a seance that I'm going to. She's not going to it. And then we're going to an escape room. And then what else are we doing? And then there's like trials, which we've been to most of those. But
all of them
we're
so
really
far.
excited. It's time to have fun. So that's why we're bringing that up. And that's what will be in costume the next 2 days.
That's what the inside of the box looks like. I don't know if you got a glimpse of all that. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out, woo, it's sliding off my dress.
Is that from, wait.
Oh, I think this is for Black Panther.
Okay.
Yay.
Darn, okay, that's cool. I thought I saw a raccoon, sorry.
I think so anyway. I could be wrong on some of these. Okay, and let's see. This says The Expanse. Rocinate, I don't know. I am a Slight Gamer, but I don't know what this is or what story this is from or anything for that. I will find out. Okay, and then, I got the How to Train Your Dragon, this little
it's cute.
dragon. It used to remind me of our cat we had named Fluffy. I think it's so cute.
It's cute.
It's a little pen, in case I didn't say that. And then this is, looks like, coaster set Pacific Rim Uprising. It's funny because we just bought some coasters, so we don't need them, but I guess we could have them just in case we have a party or something, have extra coasters.
You can give me your sister something.
And then I think this is no, there's this thing too. I'll do this first. I think it must be, a poster, I'm guessing. Everything keeps sliding off my, my dress. Okay, so I'm not looking at that side yet. That's what that looks like. But on that side, yeah. I guess is this the thing from them? Just showing what other
10% off.
What else they have. That's pretty. Okay, and then
Is that what
this
tells
is
you
just
what
the card,
everything
right?
you got, right? Or
Exclusive Black Panther T-shirt, exclusive The Expanse. Is it Rocinate ship replica? Exclusive Pacific Rim coaster set. Exclusive Fallout 4 art print. Exclusive How to Train Your Dragon pin.
yeah. So that's what we got today.
Yay! We'll be doing another one tomorrow. Not Loot Crate tomorrow, but we'll be doing another video tomorrow of all the. It's just like a haul, all the stuff I bought, if all of it gets here. Anything else?
That's all. Wish us luck at the festival.
Take care.
Thanks for joining. Bye.